Here, we're going to be learning how to do an emergency pullover. You may have to pull over in emergency situations. You have to be able to keep calm and follow procedure. This is an example of a good emergency pullover.
Knowing how to handle an emergency can make all the difference. So let's dive in. First things first, always stay calm. If you notice something's not right, maybe a tire blowout or strange noises, follow these steps. I'm going to perform an emergency pullover. I'm going to put my right signal on. My right lane is clear. I'm going to pull over, making sure that my trailer is lined up in parallel with the curve. I'm going to come to a complete stop. I'm going to put my hazards on. Put my truck in neutral and apply my parking brake. If I need to get out of the truck, I'm going to turn off my engine and I'm going to put the keys in my pocket. When I get out, I'm going to check my mirror. If it's clear, I'm going to get out back first using 1, 2, and 3 points of contact. I'm going to walk in front of my truck, stay on the right side. If I'm going to stay for longer than 10 minutes, I'm going to place my triangles. I'm going to put them 10 feet behind my truck, 100 feet behind my truck, and 100 feet in front of my truck because this is a two-way road. And there you have it, folks. Remember, the key is to stay calm, signal your intentions, and follow these steps to safely perform an emergency pull over with a trailer. See you in the next video.